Oh, I got one. We got one, guys. I didn't think we had a bass, but we do. Oh, there we go. We're on one. Hey guys, Dave from Bananasac Outdoors. Out here on the kayak, first time this year. April 2nd, I think. It wasn't this windy earlier, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, we're in the 2024 Spring Classic tournament through Brian Leadamore. YouTube, Facebook, all kinds of social medias. Make sure you check them out. We're gonna try to get on the board. All right, guys, first lure we're using, chatterbait. I think it's an XPS from Bass Pro. I think that's what the brand's called. And then I got a swamp bottom bait trailer, monkey milk, the fat shad. Or it might be called the rip shad. All right, there we go. Chatterbait. Right now it's 16 feet. My cast over where hopefully it's a little bit more shallower. Okay. The Wacky rig, green pumpkin, swamp bottom bait right there. Let's try it out. Let's see if we can... What is... Oh, I got a bird's nest, that's why. I'm like, why can't I cast that far? That's how we lost the chatterbait. That wind, I think, caused it. Oh, I got one. We got one, guys. I didn't think we had a bass, but we do. First bass of the tournament. I think it's big enough, barely. Hey, we got ourselves a little bass. Let's go. First largemouth of the tourney on the Wacky rig. Oh. I do not know if it's big enough. This will be my first time doing a bump board with an actual like online tournament. So we'll see how this goes. I think it's big enough. He's got to be at least 10. Yeah. Little largemouth right here, guys. Little. Oh yeah, he's 12. Not used to this. Hopefully it doesn't jump out. Alright, we'll get him out. He's flopping around in the boat. He was 11 3/4, I think. 11 3/4 bass in the Brian Leadamore tournament. Let's let him go right now. One fish on the board. Let's freaking go. Woo, woo, woo. I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. Caught on the green pumpkin swamp bottom bait wacky rig. I did not think I had one, actually. I'm like, what is this? We'll try here. Maybe there's another one. It's nice to be on the board. Nothing too big, but nice to get one. Can we get 2 in a row? 2 casts in a row. The green pumpkin swamp bottom bait tore it up, though. That didn't take long at all. I just wish I knew I had one on at first. It didn't really feel like I had a fish. I just thought I hit some weeds or something. I mean, it wasn't a big bass, clearly. I'm glad we got one out here. Not skunked. Maybe we get a couple more before the end of the day. A little bit less than an hour of fishing I can do. I'm actually going to run to Bass Pro and pick up a new spring raincoat. I got nothing to shut off the rain. All I got is hoodies, and those aren't good in the rain. You know, they just soak everything up. Let's get to that tree before it gets too late. I wish I could go to the other tree, but that tree, that's where we'll get blown away again with the wind. Oh, that's a nice. I see that too. I'm gonna try right there before we leave. Oh, there we go. We're on one. Got another one. Almost the same size. Yeah, a little bigger maybe. Bass number 2 on the green pumpkin. Swamp bottom bait wacky rig. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go right here. Another one. Nice kiss. Let's get it out here. Oh yeah, he's a little bit bigger. He's past 12. He's almost 13. Actually, he's past 13. Almost 13 and a half. Yeah, 13. 13 and a quarter. That's what we got here for this one. $13.25. Got it. Second bass of the day. There it goes. I gotta start. Maybe I'll start filming when I release. That's fish number 2, though. They're sneaky, though. Maybe I'm just not used to seeing how it is on a kayak, you know, when they start taking from land, you can really see that line take off. This one, I mean, I saw it drop. Maybe it's because it's deep too. So maybe he's taking it down. It just seemed like my line just went down just a little bit faster. That's it. Like nothing too special. But 2, we're fishy. Definitely smell fishy now. 2 largemouth. There we go. Oh, we lost one. That one might have been better. That one might have been better. I was actually looking at the GoPro to see if we were still recording. And we were. And then I had one. I saw it too. He looked a little bit bigger. Not too much bigger, but just, I think it would have been the biggest one of the day. Wonder if we'll go after it. Maybe he didn't feel the actual hook and just hooked into the worm. But they're liking the green pumpkin wacky rig today. And sometimes the wacky rig, I just feel like I get so impatient. I like want to reel it in quicker, you know? You gotta be so slow with it and just let that thing go. Just do its thing. Just gotta let it sink. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. 2 fish on the Wacky rig, green pumpkin, swamp bottom bait. Use code NANNER. Link down below for a discount. Got to buy, I think, 22 bucks or more to get a 9% discount. But thanks again for all coming in. Like I said, it wasn't too much, but I've never been to that back part of this little lake. Pretty cool. Missed a couple. Got a couple hits on the underspin with the Mr. Twister at the end. Don't know, I think they were hits. I don't think I was hitting anything special. But thanks for all coming along. And yeah, gonna register the 2 largemouth for the Brian Latimer fishing tournament. And I'm out of breath because I just dragged that kayak up the hill all the way up here. The trailer's at the parkway up here. I guess I could have drove down there and probably got it. There's no one here. I'm the only person here, only person fishing in this pond. It was really windy today, cold, but it was still fun. Had a good time. Once we got out of the wind, it was really nice, and I actually didn't feel that as cold as it does right now. It's actually feeling pretty chilly. So stay tuned for some more videos, and don't forget to hit that like button, sub to the channel, leave a comment, share the video. Appreciate you all. Later, guys. Peace.